friends, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together a nice garlic bread. Nice. It's semi-homemade, but I didn't make the bread homemade. I bought that at Meijer. I got a real nice little loaf of bread here on sale at Meijer for, it was $1 a loaf. Really nice loaf of bread. So let me scooch you in closer here. Okay. Alright, so right here I've got about a stick of butter, and then I mixed my garlic in there. That's all I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to put this garlic in just like so. And then I'm going to take and put a little bit of my granulated garlic, maybe about a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to put that in there and mix that up. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley in there. And mix that all up real nice. See how that looks? Looks real nice. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside right over here. Now with this, I'm going to take my loaf of bread out of here. And my bread knife is right here. All I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to cut it in half. Lay those two halves down. And I'm going to generously butter each side of this bread. This will be some amazing garlic bread. Really nice. There. Alright, so with that, let me put these. Now you can cut them again if you want. You can cut them whatever size you want. I'm just going to leave them whole because I'll cut them when they're all done. So with that, I'm going to take a little bit of my mozzarella. I'm going to put my mozzarella cheese on all these pieces here. My husband likes it real cheesy. Okay, so that is all that there is to that. Now this is going to go in a 350-degree oven for about maybe 15-20 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted and, and golden brown, because he likes it just a little bit darker. So mine will stay in a little bit longer. But anyway, as soon as that's done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you just how nice it turns out. Okay, friends, so there's my garlic bread. It's all done, nice and golden brown, beautiful, just the way Mr. Wayna likes it. And it was very budget friendly. The bread cost me $1, and the rest of it was maybe a quarter. So there you have it. Very easy, really nice way to make homemade garlic bread. So try it. You'll like it. And thanks for watching.